What if the next world war isn't fought by soldiers, but by machines? China is rapidly transforming its military into something the world has never seen before, an army powered by artificial intelligence, autonomous weapons, and battlefield automation. AI-controlled tanks that don't need drivers, drone swarms that think and move as one. Autonomous submarines silently patrolling the ocean depths, robot soldiers that don't feel fear or fatigue. But this isn't science fiction. China is investing billions into AI war strategy systems capable of analyzing battlefield data in real time, making decisions faster than any human commander ever could. The goal? A military force where humans are no longer the center of the battlefield. Is China preparing for a future war without soldiers? And if machines start making life and death decisions, who will really be in control? This is the new era of warfare. Number 6. AI war strategy systems, the brain behind the machines. In modern warfare, the most powerful weapon may not be a missile, a tank, or even a drone. It may be artificial intelligence. China is developing advanced AI war strategy systems designed to control and coordinate autonomous weapons on the battlefield. These systems can process satellite imagery, drone feeds, radar signals, and cyber intelligence in real time, turning raw data into instant decisions. Unlike human commanders, AI doesn't suffer from stress or hesitation. It can simulate thousands of combat outcomes within seconds and choose the most efficient strategy based on probability and risk assessment. Imagine a battlefield where drone swarms adjust their formation automatically, where robotic tanks reposition without waiting for human commands, where naval drones react to threats before sailors even detect them. This is the shift from human-led warfare to algorithm-driven conflict. If the future of war is about speed, data, and precision, then the true power won't lie in the number of soldiers, but in the intelligence guiding them, and that intelligence may soon belong to machines. Number 5. Robot soldiers, the rise of unmanned ground forces. For centuries, wars have been fought by soldiers on the ground. But China is preparing for a future where the front lines may be occupied by machines. From armed robotic dogs to unmanned combat vehicles, China's military is testing robotic soldiers designed to operate in high-risk combat zones. These machines can carry weapons, conduct surveillance, transport supplies, and even support urban warfare missions, all without putting human lives directly in danger. Unlike traditional troops, robot soldiers don't feel fear. They don't hesitate under fire, and they don't require rest. Equipped with AI-powered vision systems, these ground robots can identify targets, navigate complex terrain, and coordinate with drone units above them. The idea isn't just to assist human soldiers, it's to reduce dependence on them. That if robotic ground forces continue to evolve, future battlefields may see fewer boots on the ground, and more autonomous machines advancing instead. The question is no longer if robots will enter warfare, but how much control they will eventually have. Number 4. Autonomous submarines, the silent hunters beneath the sea. While the world watches the skies filled with drones, a quieter revolution is happening deep underwater. China is developing autonomous submarines and unmanned underwater vehicles designed to operate without human crews. These AI-powered systems can patrol strategic waters, track enemy vessels, lay underwater sensors, and even carry out combat missions, all while remaining nearly invisible. Unlike traditional submarines, these machines don't require oxygen, food, or rest. They can stay submerged for extended periods, silently collecting intelligence or positioning themselves in critical maritime zones. Powered by advanced navigation algorithms, autonomous submarines can map the ocean floor, detect threats, and adjust their routes without direct human control. In modern naval warfare, stealth is everything. And a fleet of intelligent underwater drones could give China a constant presence beneath contested waters, without risking sailors' lives. If the future of war extends into the depths of the ocean, the most dangerous weapon may be the one no one can see. Number 3. Swarm drones. When machines think and move as one drone can be stopped. But what about 1,000? China is rapidly advancing swarm drone technology, a system where hundreds, even thousands of AI-powered drones operate together as a single coordinated unit. Instead of relying on one central controller, these drones communicate with each other, share data instantly, and adjust their movements in real time. If one drone is destroyed, the swarm adapts. If the target moves, the swarm recalculates. Powered by artificial intelligence, these drone swarms can overwhelm air defenses, conduct surveillance across massive areas, or execute precision strikes with coordinated timing. Unlike traditional aircraft, swarm drones are cheaper, faster to deploy, and far more difficult to counter. This changes the rules of air warfare. Future battles may not begin with fighter jets, but with clouds of autonomous machines filling the sky, moving like a living organism guided by algorithms. In a war driven by speed and numbers, a smart swarm could be more powerful than an entire air fleet. Number 2. AI-controlled tanks, the end of the human driver. For over a century, tanks have been symbols of ground dominance, armored, powerful, and operated by human crews inside. But China is now testing AI-controlled tanks that may not need drivers at all. These unmanned armored vehicles are designed to navigate complex terrain, detect enemy threats, and coordinate with other units using artificial intelligence. Equipped with advanced sensors, computer vision, and automated targeting systems, they can analyze the battlefield in real time without a human crew inside. These machines can enter high-risk zones where survival chances are low. No feared, no hesitation, no need for rescue. AI-controlled tanks can move in coordinated formations, respond instantly to incoming threats, and even integrate with drone surveillance systems above them. This is not just an upgrade in machinery, it's a shift in battlefield philosophy. If armored warfare becomes autonomous, the traditional image of soldiers operating from inside steel vehicles may slowly disappear, and in their place, algorithms will take the driver's seat. Number 1. The AI-powered army, a military without soldiers. What if the most powerful army in the world had fewer and fewer human soldiers? China is rapidly transforming its military into a force powered by artificial intelligence, robotics, and full-spectrum automation. From AI-controlled tanks and swarm drones to autonomous submarines and robotic ground units, the battlefield is being redesigned around machines. This isn't just modernization, it's a shift toward intelligent warfare, where data moves faster than bullets, and algorithms make decisions in milliseconds. In this vision of war, humans are no longer at the center of combat. Instead, they monitor systems, supervise machines, and manage networks of autonomous weapons operating across land, sea, air, space, and cyberspace. The goal isn't just strength. It's speed, precision, and strategic dominance powered by AI. If this transformation continues, the future battlefield may not be defined by soldiers in uniform, but by silent machines executing code. And the country that masters military AI first may control the next era of warfare. The battlefield is changing, not with louder explosions, but with smarter machines. China's push toward AI-controlled tanks, swarm drones, autonomous submarines, and robot soldiers signals a new chapter in military history, one where algorithms may guide strategy, and machines may carry out missions once reserved for humans. But this transformation raises a deeper question. If artificial intelligence begins making life-and-death decisions, who is truly accountable? The nation with the most advanced AI may gain unmatched speed and precision, but the risks of automation in warfare are just as powerful as its advantages. The future of war may not be about the size of an army, but the intelligence behind it, and as technology accelerates, the line between human control and machine autonomy becomes thinner than ever. The era of soldierless warfare may not be here yet, but it's closer than we think. If you found this breakdown insightful, subscribe for more deep dives into the future of global power, military technology, and AI warfare, because the next war may already be in development.